Södermalm Street Style Walking Tour 2025, the Real Scandinavian Quiet Luxury in Stockholm. If you are pursuing a style that speaks volumes through whispers, then you must stop chasing loud logos and start embracing true material mastery. Imagine dressing every day with the effortless elegance of someone who knows quality is the ultimate status symbol. A look that is deeply cozy and profoundly chic. We are taking you on an exclusive, immersive journey, the Södermalm Street Style Walking Tour 2025, the Real Scandinavian Quiet Luxury in Stockholm. This is where minimalist design meets luxury fabrication, creating a style that is influential, timeless, and effortlessly warm. We are not just showing you outfits. We are decoding the Scandinavian secret to looking completely polished, refined, and perfectly confident, no matter the weather. If you are ready to elevate your style to this level of quiet confidence, stay with us. Please subscribe to Stockholm Street Fashion, like this video, and comment with your favorite Scandinavian fashion brand. The absolute cornerstone of Scandinavian quiet luxury begins with outerwear. In Stockholm's climate, the coat is the statement piece. It must communicate confidence and quality. Oversized, yet structured wool coats and long trench coats dominate the streets, each one tailored to perfection, relaxed for layering, sharp for silhouette. Deep pockets, clean lines, nothing extra. These coats are true investment pieces, the first visible layer of quiet luxury, projecting authority without ever needing a logo. The color palette across Södermalm street style is unified and intentionally restrained. Inspired by the Nordic landscape, it moves between deep charcoal, black, creamy ivory, forest green, and warm camel. Most outfits are monochrome or limited to two tones, allowing texture and material to lead the conversation. This restraint is not accidental, it is a philosophy. Scandinavian quiet luxury is about visual calm. The absence of noise creates room for quality to be seen, felt, and appreciated. In Stockholm, layering is both survival and art. It is the essence of Scandinavian quiet luxury, purposeful, balanced, refined. A silk turtleneck under a chunky knit vest, a tailored wool coat finishing the look. Each layer is deliberate, combining function and elegance. The visible collar or cuff from a lower layer adds just enough complexity to feel considered, never accidental. This mastery of texture and proportion defines the polished Scandinavian silhouette. Knitwear is the emotional warmth within the structure. It softens the sharp tailoring that defines Södermalm's street style. We see luxurious natural fibers, thick wool, alpaca, and cashmere crafted into oversized crewnecks and refined cardigans. Each piece speaks through texture, not logos. Solid colors dominate, allowing the material to convey luxury on its own. This quiet commitment to comfort and quality is the heart of Stockholm's fashion philosophy. The trousers seen on this tour are exercises in precision. Wide leg or straight cut, always full length, and made from structured wool or dense cotton blends. The fit is relaxed through the leg, yet sharp at the waist, effortlessly elongating the body. They fall perfectly over sleek boots or minimalist sneakers, proving that Scandinavian quiet luxury is built on practical sophistication. Form, function, and flow always in harmony. Accessories in this aesthetic are as quiet as they are intentional. Every detail has purpose and restraint. a single gold ring, a structured leather tote with no visible branding, sunglasses sculpted in monochrome tones. Each piece serves the wearer, not the other way around. This is the essence of luxury without noise craftsmanship that stands on its own. Footwear grounds the Södermalm street style. It's a study in balanced sophistication that meets real-world function. Sleek leather boots with chunky soles for city streets. Minimalist leather trainers in soft neutrals for effortless movement. No bright colors, no overdesign, just quiet confidence in every step. Shoes are kept polished and pristine, a subtle reflection of discipline and care. Patterns, when used, are restrained and deliberate. They appear in wool coats or tailored trousers, subtle plaids, houndstooth or herringbone. Always in the same neutral palette, grey, black, cream, never loud, never distracting. This is how Stockholm adds depth without clutter. Pattern becomes texture, not decoration, reinforcing the refined calm of Scandinavian quiet luxury. The final and most defining element of this style isn't the clothing at all, it's the presentation. Impeccable grooming and calm poise complete the look. A clean haircut, natural makeup, a steady, unhurried stride. Scandinavian quiet luxury is an illusion of ease carefully built, yet never forced. It's the way you carry the simplicity that makes it powerful. We have now explored every key layer of Södermalm's street-style walking tour 2025, the Real Scandinavian Quiet Luxury in Stockholm. From the architecture of outerwear to the softness of knitwear, from minimal accessories to the confidence of posture, you now hold the entire blueprint. This is not trend chasing, it's timeless investment, it's composure woven into fabric. If this guide inspired your next wardrobe evolution, please like this video, share it, and subscribe to Stockholm Street Fashion. Comment below and tell us which Scandinavian principle you will embrace first.